In this session, we are going to talk about the data flows in Power BI. Data flow in Power BI are a powerful feature designed to facilitate the data preparation, integration, and transformation process, making it easier for the users to build scalable, reusable data models and ensure the data consistency across the organization. Data flows allow the users to extract, transform, and load, that is the ETL process, from various sources into the Power BI for further analysis and reporting. So, if we talk about the general introduction of data flows are basically the cloud-based ETL tools, and it can enable us to ingest, transform, and storage of the data. Basically, whenever you will be importing your data set with the help of this data flow, it would give you the capability to perform some operations with the help of Power Query. Now, what are the key components of data flows? So the first one is that data sources. It has multiple connectors where the data flows can connect to a wide range of data sources, including the databases, cloud services, web APIs, and files. Also, it has flexible integration where you can seamlessly integrate with on-premises and cloud-based data sources. The next one is the transformation. So the first one in this is that you can use the Power Query editor to apply the transformations such as filtering, aggregation, merging, and shaping the data. Then you can also leverage the M language for advanced data transformation tasks. Then we have the data storage. So you can store the data flows in Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, providing the scalable and secure data storage. Also, you can use the common data model format to ensure that the data consistency and interoperability is there. The next key component is the schedule refresh. Here you can schedule the data refreshes to ensure that your data flows are always up to date. Also, you can set the refresh frequencies based on your data update needs. The next one is reusable data entities. So you can create the reusable data entities that can be shared across different reports and dashboards. Also, you can standardize the data preparation process to maintain the consistency. If we talk about the benefits of using the data flows, the first benefit is that it has the centralized data preparation. So, centralized data preparation tasks, reducing the redundancies and ensuring the consistencies across the reports and dashboards is there. Then it can allow the multiple users to collaborate on data preparation and transformation tasks. If we talk about the scalability, it can handle the large volumes of data with ease, making it suitable for the enterprise scale data scenarios. Also, you can use the Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 for scalable and secure data storage. Then, if you talk about the reusability, you can create and reuse the data entities across multiple reports, saving the time and effort. Also, you can maintain some consistent data models across the organizations. If we talk about the advanced data transformations, you can use the Power Query editor and M language for complex data transformation tasks. Also, you can enrich the data by integrating and transforming data from various sources. The next one is improved data governance. So you can track the data lineage to understand the flow of data from source to destination, ensuring data accuracy and integrity. You can also implement the data governance policies to manage the data access, sharing, and compliance effectively. So, data flow in Power BI provides a powerful and flexible way to handle the data preparation, integration, and transformation task. By centralizing the data preparation process, enabling the scalable storage, and facilitating the reusable data models, data flows can help the organization maintain data consistency and improve efficiency. Whether you are dealing with the large scale data scenarios or complex data transformation needs, data flows offer the tools and capabilities to streamline your data preparation workflows and enhance your analytical capabilities. So, this was all for the introduction of data flow. In the next session, we will be taking a look at how to create our data flow. Thank you.